In this video, I'm going to show you how you can book a hotel on Agoda without having to add a credit card or pay for it right now. So what I'm going to do is search for a hotel in Bangkok from the 3rd of November to the 4th of November. I'm going to make that search and see what's available. So here are all of the available hotels in Bangkok. You can see there are 4,500. Now we need to filter through the hotels that allow us to book without credit card. And to do that, you want to scroll down here near to the bottom and you want to go to payment options. So you want to click here on a couple of payment options. I like to click on book without credit card and also free cancellation. So once you've got those two checked, you'll then have an updated list of hotels. You can see it's now been narrowed down to 338 choices, but we can now click on any hotel. Here you can then check out the hotel obviously, and if you like it, you can book it. So scrolling down here, you can see there is a free cancellation before October the 31st, which is fine, and we can book without credit card, and we'll just have to pay at the property. So if we go ahead and click on reserve, you can see here you'll be taken to this window where you can check your booking. You can see here you're going to have to pay this amount to the hotel when you get there, but it is risk-free and fully refundable. Just cancel before the 31st of October. So scroll down here and then click book now. You can see we don't need any credit card or payment to book this, so just simply click on book now. And there you go, you can see that booking's now gone through, it's all complete, and we didn't even have to add our credit card. So I hope that video did help you out.